Hey, it's Charity Brooks here. It's day 12 of my ultimate reset, and I am feeling great. Had an interesting conversation with a friend of mine the other day, and she asked me, why are you doing the ultimate reset? You're in shape, you look great, you've been lifting weights, you just ran a half marathon. And it was an interesting conversation because a lot of people think the ultimate reset is all about weight loss, when really it is a total body detox. Not just talking about excess weight, we're talking about getting rid of your body of toxins. So getting back to that question of her asking me why I decided to do the ultimate reset, the reason is I really wanted to give myself and my body a chance to rest after running my half marathon. I started the ultimate reset 4 days after I finished my half marathon. So my body was tired. I needed a break. And when you're on the ultimate reset, you're not allowed to do regular cardio and weightlifting. Only yoga, Tai Chi, or walking. And Tai Chi is Beachbody's newest workout. It's Tai Chi. It's really amazing. Besides wanting to give myself a break, I really wanted to get myself into a better sleeping pattern. A lot of people have been talking about how amazing they feel and how much more rested they feel doing the ultimate reset. And for me, I've had insomnia for years. I mean years. I've been on medication and I'm tired, just sick and tired of being tired and having to depend on sleep medication. So right there, that was my main motivation. I really wanted to start sleeping. I mean, how many of us are not sleeping? I was hooked on caffeine, taking it several times a day, not being able to sleep at night. And since then, I have really been able to sleep a lot better. Besides that, I do have a rare medical condition called diabetes insipidus. I can't retain water. So I'm always looking for ways to see if I can help manage that. And thankfully, with the ultimate reset, I am feeling a lot better. I'm able to retain water a lot better. If I'm not medicated, I'll drink 3 to 4 gallons of water a day. Yeah, it's bad. So I will always have to take my medication, and luckily to the ultimate reset, I've been a lot less thirsty, which is amazing for me. I'll always have to take my medication at night because my body doesn't make the hormone that helps you retain water. But I think with the amazing minerals and using Himalayan salt, I am retaining water during the day, which is a big deal for me. I know a lot of you women are probably thinking that doesn't sound like a big deal, but trust me, when you have to drink and always know where the restroom is, it is a pain. So anyway, those were my two main motivators for starting the ultimate reset. Actually, I should say the three. One of the other benefits is I have my allergies are gone. My postnasal drip that I've been dealing with for several years now is totally gone. So it's amazing. Yes, I have lost weight, but that isn't my main motivation for doing the ultimate reset. So again, it's day 12, and that's my report.